Hello, and welcome to Birds. Well, we're your hosts. I'm Yo-Yo, and I'm Florida, your guys' favorite. This is the first episode. How can you be their favorite already? Well, then I will be your favorite. Yeah, right. Yeah. Okay, today we're gonna go to Bed-Utopia. What? Bed-Utopia. I don't even know where that is. I thought we were supposed to be going to Caitlin's bed. We are. Well then, why are we going to Bed-Utopia instead? It's the same thing, you know. Oh, really? Really? Well, I'm smart, aren't I? Very smart. Alright. Well, let's just, go while I stop embarrassing myself. But we didn't explain to them. Fine, I'll do it. Okay, so there we will, be doing games. Yes, it's gonna be totally cool. Okay. Hey, where'd you go? Here we are. If you're wondering where, Florida is, she's taking a shortcut. Which is shocking why I got here before her. So we'll just wait. Yes, wait. I guess I'll just take a nap here. Wake me up when she gets here. Hey, Yo-Yo! How did you get here before me? I took a really shortcut. Yo-Yo? Are you okay? Yo-Yo? Answer me, Yo-Yo! Yo-Yo! CPR! Yo-Yo! Are you dead? Yeah. Just let me sleep. You're dead? Oh my gosh, Yo-Yo, you were my bestest friend ever. I miss you so much. I'll never forget all the good times we had together. I miss you. Yo-Yo. Don't leave me, please. Get off of me. I had a nice nap. Hey, Florida. What took you so long? What are you doing? Why are you getting further away from me? You're not a zombie, are you? A zombie? No, why would I be a zombie? Well, you were dead, you see. You were lying right there and you weren't moving, except for your breathing. Is that going to be the first game? Alright. It wasn't going to be. Actually, it's not a game at all. What do you call it? It's a fun game. Whee! I don't call it anything. Does that mean I can name it? Really, really? Oh, you're so nice. You're the best friend I ever had. I would appreciate it if you got off of me. Oh, sorry. We'll call it Smack. Smack, 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 smack. It's really fun if you actually say smack while you're doing it. How about we move on to another game? Okay. How about leapfrog? Okay. You can jump, right? Oh yeah, of course I can. See? I can jump really high. See? That was a fail. No, it wasn't. I was just being weighed down by, this. You should probably take your hat off. Fine. Do you always fall down like that? No, it was just, part of a smack. Oh, okay. Here, I'll take care of these. Where'd you put them? Oh, I just put them back in the studio. You're kidding, right? No. Yay! You're really slow at this game. No comment there. So are we gonna play leapfrog? Can you jump? Of course I can. See? I can jump like that. Watch. Ta-da! Okay, so now you make some weird sound while you do it. You must be consistent. Why did you just say must? I mean, it was so grown-up-like and so boring. I don't know if you noticed this, but, we're kinda grown-ups. We are? Great, you can make me start crying again. I don't want to be grown-up. How will we play leapfrog now? Fine. You bend down first. Whatever you say. No. Stay. Okay. Ow! No, you stay down, or I'll have to do this all over again. Ow! Oh, get off of me! Ta-da! Ugh. Vegetopia sounds... tastes so bad. What is wrong with you? What's wrong with me? Oh, never mind that. What are you doing? Jump over me. Okay. Of course I'll jump over you. Yay! Are you ready? Ready as I'll ever be. Okay. That tickles! Stop! Get off! you off. That was fun. Let's do it again. Are you like... No, I think it's time for another game. Really? Yeah. Well, that was really fun. I think I might have hurt you, though. Are you sure you're okay? Hurt me? No. Didn't hurt me a bit. Ow! Ow, that time it hurt. Oh my gosh. Ow! Ow! Am I bleeding? No. Are you sure it hurts so bad? How about we get you back to the station? Yeah. It really is here. Do you think I would lie to you? Well, I thought you were just kidding or something. Here, let's put this stuff on. Okay! Doesn't that feel so much better? Yeah. Hey, how about you guys bring in the picture of the day? Are you sure we're ready for it? Yeah, we're almost out of time. But we have 15 minutes. Okay. Here's the picture of the day. Okay, this picture was drawn today by Caitlin. She worked like really hard on it. And yeah, it took her an hour. You hear me? A whole hour. You do realize an hour is not that long. Yes, it is. Yeah, whatever you say. Well, she worked really hard on it. Yeah. Okay. She did. You can even ask her. Yeah. Okay. Well, aren't you gonna ask her? Caitlin, did you work hard on this? Do I have to answer? No! Apparently not. Okay then. I don't think... Okay, and that was the picture. Okay, now we get to say bye! Okay, bye! I like potatoes!